Hey, what's up, man? You just got your new camera? Oh, you got the Nikon ZR? What? Do you know how to use your camera? Do you want me to show you how to use your camera? Awesome. We're going to do that today. Okay. All right. First thing you want to do is make sure that your shutter is at 50. Can you make sure? Move it around. Are you at 50? Great. Because you got to understand, when you're in 23.97, 24 frames per second, you have to be at 50 or 48 shutter speed, okay? And right now, we're not using shutter angle. You understand? Great. Now, check your f-stop. See where the f-stop is at. Is your f-stop on 8? Okay, great. Now, let's check your ISO. Are you at 800 base ISO? Great. Now we're going to get into the next step. Do you know how to shoot a music video? You got the Nikon ZR, you mean to tell me you don't know how to shoot a music video? Don't worry, KZ Flicks is going to get you right. Now, are the waveforms touching the first line on the waveform? Are you sure? Okay, great. That means you're properly exposed. Now we're going to go into the next step. Okay. The next step, okay? We're going to work on camera movement handheld, okay? Right now, I already made your camera be on sport mode so it can be the most stabilized, okay? So now the first movement we're going to do, we're going to use this guy right here. Tap on his face on the screen. Is he in focus? Great. Now we're going to do in and outs, okay? So put it back on me. Now I want you to do in and out movements with this guy right here like it's a music video. Go. All right. Cut. You did a good in and out. Now I want you to do a V formation. Come like this and come like that and go back and forth like that in V formation. Do that. Okay, great. Now we're going to do a parallax. We're going to go in a half U formation, okay? I want you to do that. Can you do that for me? Okay, let's see if you can do it. Wrong. You're doing it wrong. You must go like this. In a U. Can you do that for me? Let's try it again. All right. Need a little more practice, but you're getting there, okay? Now, you got all those shots. The next shot, you want to get up on the bear and get those movement shots and them shakes and the movements and act like you jump into the beat, okay? Get to him. Great. You have completed your first test of shooting a music video and being properly exposed in your Nikon ZR. Way to go. Next test will be another time. Peace out.
Yeah, I got more than 50 ops, niggas wanna get me got, but I shoot a city block to get home at 6 o'clock. Micro mini stock, pyro blicky pop, you go viral TikTok. Used to be a busy block, then I dipped to Philly. I don't really